In this video, I would like to show you one of the emotions that appear on the market while you are trading. Each trader has experienced this feeling when traded on any trading market, is it forex market, crypto market or stock market. The feeling that I would like to explain, it is a fear of opening a trade. Even though the trade has been based on the steps that you have prepared before that. If you have the analysis ready, if the price comes to the open price based on analysis and it's ready to be open with the stop loss prepared, with the take profit level prepared, but suddenly you are not feeling very sure that you should open the trade. This is something that I have experienced a lot, because I was not sure that this analysis is correct. I was feared that if I open the trade, the price will go against me and I will lose money. And it's normal. This is called fear that is preventing you from opening the trade. Well, how to solve that? Here there is one way. If you can automate the trading style based on your analysis that you have prepared, it will be very helpful. This way you will remove your subjective thoughts and also your feelings from the trading activity, and the trade will be opened by automatically with a bot or expert advisor if you are using one. Here is an example. I would like to show you what how this looks and how this goes against you when you feel like that. I will use gold against US dollar. It will be on the 4-hour time frame, which means each trade that is visible here on the chart represents 4 hours. So for example, if we have two candles here together, this means 8 hours has been passed on the market. Now in this example for here, I will take this here area, which will be an example of this trade. So my analysis shows me that if the price comes to this price level here, from this one here, if the price goes up and reaches this area here, it will be a resistance where I'm expecting that the price will reverse back down if there is a price action signal formed on the chart. And my stop loss would be at the next resistance, which means at 2390.94. If the price goes in my direction, which means the price goes here all the way, I am expecting that the price will go down from this area and my take profit will be right here at this one, which will be 2299, a great support level. Now, stop loss would be right here the stop loss. I'll put this one here, and my take profit would be right here. So I'm waiting outside of the market and I'm waiting for the price to reach from here. I'm waiting for the price to come here. If the price comes here, I will need to wait for the price action signal. One of the price action signals I am watching is the pin bar or engulfing candle. A pin bar is similar like this, where we have a large wick on the upper side and we have small body with small wick on the lower side. It could be also this one with a large wick on the upper side, small body and a small wick on the bottom. This is a bearish pin bar, which is suggesting that the price will reverse back down. And we can see what has happened after the market has reached this price level here. It is the open price. We can see that the market has formed this indecision candle, returned back down and then returned back up. Then I have watched after the price has reached my entry level, will there be any price action signal? And after one candle, there was no signal. Second candle, there was no signal. And the third candle has been formed, and I can see that the candle has closed, formed this on the 4-hour time frame. It has a bearish pin bar. This is a signal to move down. And then I suddenly stop. Should I open the trade? Or this is a false signal? Maybe the price will go against me and reach my stop loss right here with the next candle. Maybe the price will go a little bit down and then go up against me again. Is this correct, the entry level? Is my analysis good? Should I open this trade or should I not open the trade? This is the time when you come here and you are waiting on the next candle. What will happen? Is it time to enter the trade or is it not? Will the price go against me or the price will move sideways still? Is this bearish pin bar a correct signal? This is a feeling of fear. I do not want to open the trade because I'm not very sure that the price will go in my direction. there is high probability because there is a large wick on this candle. Maybe there is another candle that after that it will go again to try to reach this area, which will be a resistance, but then my stop loss will be activated. Then I will go out from the trade with a loss. I do not want to go with a loss. I want to that the price goes in my way, in my direction. That means to go down and reach my take profit level, which is right here. And time passes. For the next 4 hours, you are thinking about you opening the trade, but you are not very sure. Maybe this trend, which is uptrend, is not finished. Maybe it will come here. Maybe I will need to wait for the price to come here and then create a bearish pin bar. Then I would enter into the trade. This is a feeling that you will experience for sure if you are trading manually on any trading market. But how to overcome this? You need to be patient, and you need to follow your trading rules. If the rule says you should enter when there is a bearish pin bar formed here on the resistance and your stop loss is right here, then open the trade. If you have based your trading rules on based on the past experience where this information has been usually and most of the time correct, then usually in the future you will experience the same results. Sometimes there will be a bad trades that the trade will go against you, but most of the time, based on your experience on the past, your trade will go in your favor. And take a look what happens. Right at that time, a strong bearish candle has took down all the way the price all the way to the support level, and it has gone even more down. So the take profit has been hit. And if you have entered the trade, this would be very good. But if the trade has not been open, you would feel wasted because you thought and you had your trading rules said that the price will go down. And then you are sorry that you did not open the trade. You're sorry that you have lost this great trade with a strong profit here, with a large profit, we would say, with a small loss, because you have entered right at precise moment when the price is turned around. Stop loss would be right here. Take a look. That would be a risk to reward ratio around 1, 2, 3, around 4 against 1. This is a perfect setup. But you had a fear, emotions that has triggered not entering the trade. The emotions and the fear has started to put your mind into thinking, is this correct setup? Is my analysis very good? Is my take profit level at the correct place? Is the entry level at the correct place? Is the stop loss at the correct place? This is something that you need to overcome, and you need to be objective. That means think about the trades objectively based on your trading rules. If the rule says enter the trade, put stop loss there, put take profit there, do it because your analysis based on the past results, which shows, for example, if 9 of 10 trades will be profitable, there is high probability that in the future you will have the same scenario. 80-90% of 10 trades will be profitable. So enter the trade. If it is bad trade, if the price goes against you, move on. There will be more trades during the day if you are day trading, so do not fear entering the trade. But have in mind to have a clean strategy with clean trades, setups, and the steps needed to open the trade. So I hope this video has helped you to understand what means fear in trading, what means fear not to open the trade based on your trading setups, and also steps based on your analysis. Try to be objective, try to see markets based on your trading rules and not subjectively, and do not fear to open trades if the setup is perfect based on your trading analysis. If you have any questions, you would like to share your experience, feel free to comment below, and I will try to get you the answer as soon as possible, and I will try to comment on your experience, what you have experienced in trading. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading.